delicious and nutritious. It's so fucked up. It's so many levels.
Africans do.
Yeah, I know. Remember they all died. That whole tribe died because they did. Oh.
Yeah, it looks like there's so much meat on that.
Like as in nothing.
I know.
He's like, oh, I got away with it. Oh, I keep tripping.
Now he's like, shit, there's water.
Idiot.
Watch.
He's tendering it up with the water, dude. They don't scare away the seagulls. Let them eat their own. Oh, well, fuck. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. There. Oh, there's a human too close to it. Touch it. Yeah, touch it. Touch it. That's dirt.
Terp.
It's so funny to watch. Why are you sitting with me?
I'm gonna go look at it, okay?
Yeah, let's go. Okay. Take pictures of it.
I think it's a different bird. Actually, I know it's a different bird. Because those are wings, right? That's